What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a Lego butterfly knife. For starters, you're going to need 3 of these pieces that are long. Once again, 3 of these. You need 2 of these 3x1 pieces. Any color for the handle. Any color for, like, you need 15 long and 9 long. So let's get started. You start off with the 9 piece. You put this in here like that. Leave 1 gap. Put it on there. You can do it whichever way you want, but then do that to the rest, but leave it so there's no gaps in the 15 by 1. So one second. Sorry about the audio and the brightness. I'm not going to be able to fix that for a while, so. One second, I need to get this in. There we go. Like that. Sorry about the brightness. Now you get the other 3 piece, you put it on there like the other piece for the other side, so that way it doesn't want to move. Then you put the handle on, however you want it. Putting the handle on now. I'm using blue and yellow, but you can use whatever color you want. Like that. Now let's do the other side. You have to push it down a little bit, so that way it will stay. And there you go. Lego butterfly knife. I recommend when you do this, you start going like this, like this, because it's very hard when you first make it. Because when you first make it, it's really hard to do. I have one that I already made, and it's up here. Let me grab it. This is one that I already made. It's already really loose. It gets really hard after a while to do this.